Once again, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Learn to Earn Cloud Security Challenge Level 2. We are on third lab today, so that is VPC network peering. So today we'll try to complete this lab, VPC network peering. So let's start it. Click on the start lab. I'm not the robot. Select verify. Yeah, it is done now. Wait a little bit. Open. Use the username. Paste it here. Use the password. Paste it here. And our dashboard will be appear here. Yeah, it is here now. So quick. Okay, so okay, first we have signed in. Nice. So after this, activate the cloud. So let's activate it. Okay. Once we activate the cloud cell, just G cloud list. That is done now. Leave other. Okay, so this is a network peering setup. First, we have to prepare the setup. So how to set up it? Paste it here. Okay, project 2 ID. Project ID 2. So this is project ID 2. Insert, press enter, and that is done. Okay. Now project go back to the first cloud cell and create the custom network. First cloud cell. Okay, let's open two cloud cell. Going to run to parallelly. In this lab we have present two project. First project as a project A and second project a project B for mapping to project start. Okay, we have to create two one, and this is the second one, and this is for first one. Let's keep remembering. So go back to the first cloud cell and run this code. So this is the first cloud cell. Let's run it. Okay, everything's okay. Now create a subnet with the VPC and specify the region and IP range by the following range by the number. So your central one and this is the range. Okay, this is done. Paste it. Press enter. We are doing in the first cloud cell. Create a VM instance. Copy this. Wait. Once it is done, we can run this code. It is done now. Now copy this VM instance. Create a VM instance. All the zones and region is already specified. No need to change or type manually. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, now it is done. Now type this command. Okay, it is this one. Okay, so everything is done. Let's check the progress. Custom network in the project A. Yeah. Now project we switch to the second cloud cell and copy this. So this one is the second cloud cell. Paste it here. Now run this code. it should not take a longer time. Okay, once this will complete, we can create a VM instance. Okay, this is done. Now let's create VM instance, and it will also take about 5 seconds. Don't worry, it will be very quick. Okay, so it is done now. Okay, so we have just to run this firewall rule. Yeah, we just run the firewall rule. Create vmb. Which command we have just run, guys? Did you remember it? Okay, so this is the final code we have left to run. Let's run it. So after completing this firewall rule, you can check the custom project for our second project. Yeah, it is done now. Now setting up PPC network peering section. So how to set up this? You need to select the correct project for the applying the change. Okay, so you can select the project from here. All project. Here are the both project. Okay, leave this for now. Okay, so project is 17 and it is 17. Good. Go to the PPC network peering in the cloud console by navigating PPC network. Click create connection. Click continue. Okay, so just search this in the search bar. Click the first one. Okay, so VPC network peering. VPC network peering. Yeah. Click this tab. Click on create connection and continue. Click on this continue button. Okay. Type there peer AB VPC network A. Okay, network A. Select peer VPC network radio button to another project. Into another project and project ID. Second one. The second project ID. Paste it here. Type division network name for the network is something like network B. VPC network. Okay, and paste the project ID. Type in the VPC name of the network. Network B. Okay, click on create. Click on this create button. Okay, it is done now. It will take some minute to get created. Successfully created the peering connection peer AB. So it is done, and but it is inactive. We'll make it activate very soon. At this point, peering state remain inactive. Yeah, nice. Let's check. Yeah, this step is finished. So peer AB with network A. So how to do it? Switch to the project B. So how to switch? Click on this drop down, select all. So which one is B? This one is B. Select it. So we are under B. Click continue. Create the connection. You have to click create the connection. Click create the connection. Click continue. And peer AB, peer BA. Just the opposite of AB. And the network B into the another project. Okay. Here network B into the another project. Let's use this to pair with the same project. So the project ID of the first lab, copy this, and network type here network name and leave everything as default and click on create. And here is the example. Okay, wait few seconds. Once it is done, we'll run this command. See the output. Okay, first project ID. Wait. Okay, it is done now. Let's check the progress. Correct. No need to check. Test the connectivity, and you can test the connectivity just using these steps. And that's it for the lab. See you in the next lab. This was a very easy one. I thought I should not make the video, but just make it. No problem. Thank you. See you in the next lab.